Fixing Roblox gift cards if they're not working is fast and easy. I'll walk you through the steps, but first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, if you head into a web browser and you go to roblox.com and try to redeem a code, but maybe it says you've already used that code, or the scratch off is already scratched off, or it's just not working to load up your balance, I'll show you the steps. Let's hit continue in browser. And now we'll tap the three lines at the top left, tap on gift cards, and tap on redeem code. Now I have a code here from Amazon, and if I hit redeem purchase, I'll be able to get this pin code, and you can see if I copy it and bring this into Roblox, I can hit paste and redeem, but it says this code has already been redeemed, and essentially maybe I haven't gotten that funds on my account. The best way to basically fix this is go to Roblox support ticket and search that into Google. Tap on Roblox support here, and you can see as long as you're logged in, it pops up with the support ticket. Enter in all this information, and on here I have an iPhone, but the category is gift card, and it's a redeeming issue. And here you can say it says invalid, or I've already redeemed it, or maybe it's already been scratched off, or maybe you did redeem it and it says it's been added, but it's not showing up as Robux. Basically describe your entire issue here with them and hit continue, and they should get back to you within a couple days, helping you to fix and resolve that issue, and you're good to go.